Outliers Guild Moto Show, just getting set to go in. So this is the venue. Nice Ducati coming in over there. And let's go inside. Nice.
Welcome to the OG Moto Show 3, presented by House Machines.
Okay, so we're here at the OG or Outliers Guild Moto Show. So blessed to be able to live so close to a show like this. And I'm out here in, this is actually the motorcycle parking lot, which is a show in and of itself. What this is really some of the best builders that you will find in Southern California. You know, you've got Roland Sands represented here, you've got Cott represented here, big names in custom motorcycles. There's a lot more than that. There's drag bikes here, there is supermotos, there is everything you can imagine, plus moto art and some great presentations, good food, and just a lot of people gathering around their favorite addiction, motorcycles. The OG Moto Show goes on every March in downtown Los Angeles. Come and check it out, and let's take a look at some of the bikes that are on display here today.
Angeles is the coolest place. I mean, where else are you going to find two RDs parked right next to each other? It just doesn't happen. I'm sorry, did I say two RDs parked next to each other? Just a few down. Show is such a big deal that Valentino Rossi has come and attended. This is amazing.
It smells and it will make your eyes water. If you've ever been to like an HRA drag race, it's similar to that, right? So we'll give this thing a shot. Hold on, I want to see on the count of three. If it doesn't fire up, this is going to be embarrassing. So let's make it go right. 1, 2, 3. Let's fire this thing up.
All right, the Outliers Guild Moto Show. This thing is fantastic. Downtown LA in the Arts District. Very funky venue. It's called the Container Yard. This event is every March, and it's featuring some of the best classics, some of the best cafe racers, supermotos, customs. I mean, there's V-twin panheads, choppers, old Triumph bobbers, you name it, it's here. And it's cool, and then the scene, the people that are here are just clearly Southern California's moto community is out. I appreciate you watching Urban Monk TV. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this kind of content, plus the Cafe Racer build that I'm doing on the 1978 GS 550, and of course regular maintenance on my everyday bike, the Suzuki V-Strom. Thanks for watching.